The Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill 2026 has been sent to a Joint Parliamentary Committee. And this after the central government moved the motion to this effect in the Parliament. Union Minister Nityanand Rai tabled the motion in the Lok Sabha, and according to the supplementary list of business for the House, the proposed Joint Committee will consist of 31 members, 21 from the Lok Sabha and 10 from the Rajya Sabha. The committee has been tasked with conducting an in-depth examination of the legislative provisions and is required to submit its report to the Parliament by the last day of the first week of the winter session. The motion further specified that the quorum for the sitting of the Joint Committee shall be one-third of the total number of its members. The FCRA Amendment Bill 2026 was first introduced in the Lok Sabha during the budget session. It was scheduled to be taken up for discussion during the ongoing monsoon session. However, the government has put it on hold after protests from opposition parties and certain civil society groups. Now, let's take a look at what exactly is FCRA. The Foreign Contribution Regulation Act regulates the acceptance and utilization of foreign contributions in India. It applies to NGOs, trusts, societies, educational institutions, religious organizations, and certain other entities that receive funding from foreign sources. Under the law, any organization seeking to receive foreign contributions must obtain registration or prior permission from the Ministry of Home Affairs. Now, the FCRA Amendment Bill 2026 proposes major changes to how foreign funds are regulated in India. The government says the bill aims to address gaps in managing assets which are created using foreign contributions. It proposes a government-appointed designated authority to take control of such funds and assets if an organization's FCRA registration is cancelled, surrendered or not renewed. It further sets a minimum 10 lakh rupees utilization threshold for FCRA renewal over the previous 2 financial years. Opposition parties objected to the bill, saying it could give the centre greater control over NGOs and institutions receiving foreign funds. Opposition parties and civil society groups expressed concern over the proposed government-appointed authority taking control of assets which are built with foreign donations once the FCRA registration lapses. Opposition leaders have also questioned provisions covering older assets and organizations with lapsed FCRA registrations, which are presently being managed by domestic contributions. Opposition further objected to states needing the centre's approval before starting FCRA investigations, calling it an attempt to centralise powers. Now, Tamil Nadu Assembly on Tuesday unanimously passed a resolution opposing the proposed legislation and urged the union government to withdraw the amendments. The resolution called for comprehensive consultations with state governments and stakeholders including charitable, religious, educational, medical and social organizations. Leadership and regional parties in northeastern states, including Mizoram and Nagaland, have also strongly criticized the bill, or they've called for extensive parliamentary committee review.